Hello everybody! How are you today? This is Teacher Ann and today we are going to discuss new lesson in English and that is all about possessive pronouns. Are you familiar with possessive pronouns? Okay class, now take a look at the examples on your screen. First sentence, that bicycle is his. Second, this book is mine. Third, this is yours. The underlined words in these sentences were his, mine, and yours. These are examples of possessive pronoun, and that is our topic for today. If you are willing to learn, all you need to do is to finish this video. Let's start discussing. Come on! Do you know, class, that in English, there are words that are used to replace noun to avoid repetition of the noun? And these words are called pronouns. We use pronouns to avoid repetition of a noun in a statement or in a sentence. Take a look at the example. Kizo loves art. He loves colors. He loves shape. He loves to draw. Instead of using Kizo at the first part of the sentence, we replace he in the name of Kizo. Because Kizo is a boy, that's why we will use the pronoun he. Pronouns are used to replace the name of a person in a sentence. And do you know, class, that pronouns are also used to show possession or ownership? And these are called possessive pronouns. And take note, kids, possessive pronouns states that something belongs to someone. For example, this radio is mine. It means that the radio belongs to me. The possessive pronoun used in this sentence is the word mine or in Tagalog, sa akin. Unlike nouns which use apostrophe and s to show possession or ownership, possessive pronouns do not use them. Examples of possessive pronouns are mine, hers, his, ours, yours, and theirs. Pay attention on this example. Possessive noun, our queen's bicycle. And possessive pronoun, this bicycle is hers. Because our queen is a girl, so we will use possessive pronoun hers or in Tagalog, sa kanya. Here are the list of examples of possessive pronoun. His, our, ours, their, theirs, my, mine, you, yours, and her, hers. We use this possessive pronoun to show ownership of something. For example, this is my phone. This phone is mine. Possessive pronoun is the word mine. Personal pronoun and possessive pronoun are partner. Second example, I bake these cupcakes. Our sentence, these cupcakes are mine. The possessive pronoun used is the word mine because the personal pronoun is I. Third example, I have red bicycle. The sentence will be, that bicycle is mine. The possessive pronoun that we use is the word mine because the personal pronoun is I. My teddy bears are 3. The sentence, those teddy bears are mine. The possessive pronoun that we use is mine because the personal pronoun is my. Take a look at the example. These gifts are for you. Our sentence, these gifts are yours. The possessive pronoun that we use is yours. We use the possessive yours because our personal pronoun is you. On our example, Lisa cooks your food. Our sentence, these foods are yours. The possessive pronoun that we use is yours because our personal pronoun is your. Next, I forgot my pencil. Our sentence, can I borrow yours? Our possessive pronoun is the word your. Always remember that possessive pronouns shows possession or ownership. She gave you some cookies. Our sentence, the cookies are yours. Possessive pronoun is yours because our personal pronoun is you. Another example, I will give you books. Our sentence, the books are yours now. Our possessive pronoun is the word yours because our personal pronoun is you. Another example, mother planted plants. Our sentence, the plants are hers. Our possessive pronoun is hers because our noun is a mother. Mother is a girl. That's why we use hers. Another, she wears a crown. The crown is hers. Our possessive pronoun is hers because our personal pronoun is she. She is a girl and hers pertains to a girl. Anna uses laptop. The laptop is hers. Possessive pronoun hers. Because Anna is a girl, that's why our possessive pronoun is hers. It shows ownership. Another example, Madison collects perfume. Our sentence, the perfumes are hers. Our possessive pronoun is hers. Madison is a girl and it shows possession. I buy these fruits for her. These fruits are hers. Our possessive pronoun is hers because our personal pronoun is her. Another example, Kylie harvested bananas. Our sentence, the bananas are his. Kylie is a boy, that's why we use possessive pronoun his. It means that the banana belongs to Kylie. Rico plays ball. Our sentence, the ball is his. Our possessive pronoun is his because Rico is a boy. Rico owns the ball. Another example, Marco loves toy cars. Our sentence, the toy cars are his. Our possessive pronoun is his because Marco is a boy. It means that the toy cars belong to Marco. Next example, Arkin ride a motorcycle. The motorcycle is his. Our personal pronoun is his because Arkin is a boy. Our cows give fresh milk. The sentence, the cows are ours. Our possessive pronoun is ours because the personal pronoun that we use is our. Ours. We go shopping. The new clothes are ours. Our possessive pronoun in this sentence is ours. Our personal pronoun is we, that's why we will use possessive pronoun ours. The chef cooks delicious foods. The tasty foods are ours. Our possessive pronoun is ours. We use ours because the foods that the chef cooks are for us. Father buys painting. That painting is ours. The possessive pronoun that we use is the word ours. This means that the painting belongs to us. Mommy orders shoes. The pretty shoes are ours. Our possessive pronoun is ours. That means that the shoes belongs to us. That's why we use possessive pronoun ours. Another example, Linda gives us bags. The cute bags are ours. It means that the bags belongs to us. That's why we use possessive pronoun ours. Another, the twins play blocks. Our sentence, the new toys are theirs. Our possessive pronoun is theirs and it means that the blocks and the toys that they play belongs to them. Another example, they eat ice creams. Our sentence, the ice creams are theirs. The possessive pronoun that we use is theirs and the pronoun or personal pronoun that we use is they. That's why we use theirs. Remember, possessive pronoun shows ownership or possession of something. It states that something belongs to someone, just like the example shown to you a while ago. And here are the examples of pronouns: mine, yours, hers, his, ours, and theirs. These are examples of possessive pronouns. And thank you kids for watching our video for this day. We hope that this lesson will improve your understanding in English. For more video lessons, you may visit us on YouTube. Just type Teacher Ann Alfaro. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. Click all to get updated on our latest videos. You may also visit and like our Facebook page, Video Lessons by Teacher Ann. That's all for today. Have a nice day!